morning, class. My name is Shantae Belvin, and today I will be talking about insomnia. First, I'll start off with a quote. Last night, I dreamed I had insomnia. I woke up exhausted, yet too well rested to go back to sleep, by Bob Ingram. A little sarcasm. Okay. Insomnia is a sleeping disorder that has specific symptoms that cause this disorder. But the good news is that it can be cured once it is identified. But you must first take the steps of recognizing your symptoms and cure the insomnia. So, in my speech, I'm going to take you through the steps of identifying your symptoms, what is the cause, and how you can cure insomnia. Insomnia is relatable to college students, which is the audience, because most of us have disrupting sleeping patterns due to late night studying or maybe partying one night and going to class the next morning. This can affect a college student's performance in school due to a lot of things. And I am a credible source of this because my sleeping pattern is off from staying up all night from studying or writing papers due to the fact that I'm a biology major, chemistry minor. This information is important because your sleeping pattern can affect you in so many ways. So let's first see what symptoms correlate with insomnia. A prime example would be poor school performance. Are your grades starting to drop? Is it hard to concentrate when taking a test or just paying attention in class? Are you feeling irritable, difficult to memorize, feeling fatigued, unable to coordinate well if you play sports? These are multiple signs of symptoms of insomnia. What can cause these symptoms? It can be late night activities, a lot of extracurricular activities, sports, jobs, many things, partying, staying up all night, stress. Also, how many people have a difficult time falling asleep because they have a lot on their mind? It might be due to finances, where you're going to live, how you're going to pay for tuition next year, graduate school, all of that. So stress is something that might be the beginning stages of insomnia. There are a host of reasons why someone might have this sleeping disorder. What ways can you cure insomnia? Well, one way is changing your sleeping pattern. Maybe you should monitor your sleeping pattern for a week and see the consistency of your sleeping pattern. Another way to cure insomnia is if you are stressed about something to try to come up with a solution by talking to someone you trust or going to a mentor or maybe a counselor. If you suffer from insomnia for more than 3 weeks or 4 weeks and it's starting to affect your daytime activities, the best bet is to go to the doctor. The doctor can help find the source of this problem by examining you and giving multiple tests. And in conclusion, insomnia is a sleeping disorder that can be cured, but first you have to figure out what is causing it and by your symptoms. It can be a chronic case or it can be something that can be easily fixed. Accepting that you have insomnia will help you identify the symptoms and what these symptoms are. Many factors play a role of why one might have insomnia. Just be aware that this problem can resolve before it affects your daily routine. And I'll end with a quote that says, "The best cure to insomnia is to get a lot of sleep," by W.E. Phillips.
Amen.